Hello everyone. Let us solve the following. Metallic spheres of radii 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and 10 centimeters respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. Okay, so here three spheres are there, having the radius 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and 10 centimeters. Let us consider them as R1 6 centimeters, R2 8 centimeters, and R3 as 10 centimeters. Okay, so we melted these three spheres to form a single solid sphere. Okay, we need to find the radius of that particular resultant sphere, right? Yes. Now, since three spheres are melted into one sphere, volume of the three spheres is equal to volume of the new sphere formed. Okay, so what do we know here? Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is the radius of the sphere. Okay, so radius of the first sphere is given, r1 is equal to 6 centimeters. Radius of the second sphere, r2 is 8 centimeters. Radius of the third sphere, r3 is 10 centimeters. It is given in the problem. Okay, right. Now let us consider the radius of the new sphere is r centimeters. And as we know, the volume of the resultant sphere will be equal to the sum of the volumes of the three spheres which are melted to form that particular sphere. Okay, that's why what are we writing here? We are writing 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi r1 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r3 cube. Okay, so 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to, as 4 by 3 pi is common in all the terms, we have take it as a common thing. Then 4 by 3 pi into r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube. Okay, both the sides 4 by 3 is there, so we can cancel it. So what is remaining after cancellation? We got r3 r cube is equal to r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube. Okay, so r cube is equal to 6 cube, where r1 is equal to 6, 8 cube plus 10 cube. Okay, 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube. Okay, so further simplification, what do we get? 6 cube we know 216, 8 cube we know 512, 10 cube we know 1000. So on and on we got 1728. That is nothing but r cube. R cube is equal to 1728 we got. So to get r, we need to take cube root here. So cube root of 1728 means 12. So it is nothing but the radius of the resultant sphere, which is formed by melting three spheres having the radii 6 centimeters and 8 centimeters and 10 centimeters respectively. Okay, what is the radius of the resultant sphere? It is nothing but 12 centimeters. So the radius of the sphere that is formed by melting three spheres of radii 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and 10 centimeters respectively is 12 centimeters. Okay, right? I hope you understood. Thank you. If you understand, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.